We are hanging out today at Rockford Career College. We're going to learn about the Vet Tech program with two awesome ladies, starting with Dr. Laura Sweet. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. So tell me a little bit about what you do here at Rockford Career College.
So I'm the program veterinarian for the Vet Tech school. So basically what that means is that I kind of oversee the care of the animals that we use in the program. So big part of the program is we take care of shelter animals for the local community and provide the rescues with free services, spays and neuters, vaccines, things like that. In exchange for that, the students get to work on the animals and learn their skills and that they need to with the animals.
Which is pretty incredible because hands-on experience, you can't beat that.
No, not at all, not at all.
So as somebody who would be perfect to be a vet tech, what does that person look like?
I mean, the obvious is they have to have an interest and, a desire to work with and treat animals.
Sure.
But really, some important skills are that they be a good communicator, that they're able to talk with people. I think there's a misconception if you're a vet, you don't deal with people. That's 95% of the job is dealing with people.
Dogs don't talk.
Yeah, good communication skills are really important. It's a fast-paced, high-stress environment when you're working in a clinic, especially emergency, so you have to be the type of person that can deal with that, likes to multitask, likes to be busy, likes to work long hours. So you have to be really kind of dedicated person to your career. So
there is a need for vet techs.
Oh, there is, definitely. And the use of vet techs in the practice by the veterinarians is growing and changing where, because there's so many pets in the population that are needing care, veterinarians are now utilizing the vet techs to do more and more within the daily practice, like doing vaccines. They're doing all the hands-on things with the animal while the veterinarian is talking to the clients and explaining things to the clients and that. So the veterinarian is more focused on that. They can see more patients and the vet techs do the blood and testing and all of the more hands-on stuff, which is all that they're trained here as part of the school is what they learn how to do. So
and the program's not very long.
It's 2 years.
Okay.
It ends with a 10-week externship at the end, so they're probably on campus for like a little over a year and a half, and then they go out to an externship and get hands-on real-world experience, and then they go on into whatever aspect of veterinary medicine they want to do.
Andrea is with us now. She is the Vet Tech Program Director at Rockford Career College. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about what a vet tech actually does.
So we do a lot of the behind the scenes work, placing IV catheters, making animals sedated and prepping them for surgery. We do fecals and urinalysis, blood hematology, skin scrapings, x-rays, we fill medications, so we do a lot for our program.
You really do, and the students are learning that right here, which is pretty incredible.
Yes.
And what exactly do the students learn on a day-to-day basis in this program?
So they start out with their anatomy and physiology, terminology, and then they move on to the hands-on, learning how to do suturing, placing IV catheters, learning how to give sub-Q fluids. There's a ton of radiographs, and we take them off-site to the cattle lab, a sheep lab. They get to handle birds while they're out there. They do some exotic stuff too.
What do you think makes this program different than maybe some other vet tech programs that someone could choose to enter?
We have pretty small classes, and I think they get a lot more hands-on. They get more chances to do stuff than some of the bigger, campuses. You'll never experience the same day. Like every day will be something different, and you're never going to experience the same day twice.
Which I can imagine is how real life is too when you're a vet tech. Coming up next on GDS Tuesday Trends with Google expert Elizabeth Howard. Don't go anywhere.